Welcome to the Strength in Stillness, the quiet power of introverts. In this video, we'll explore the unique qualities that make introverts who they are and how they can use these strengths to excel in their personal and professional lives. Do you ever feel like you don't quite fit in with the loud and outgoing world around you? Do you find yourself feeling drained after social interactions or craving time alone to recharge? If so, you may be an introvert. But being an introvert isn't a weakness. In fact, it can be a tremendous strength, if you know how to harness it. Part 1: What is an introvert? Before we dive into the strengths of introverts, let's first define what an introvert is. Introverts are often defined as people who gain energy from being alone and can feel drained by social interactions. But it's important to note that introversion is not the same as shyness or social anxiety. Introverts can be confident and outgoing, but they still need time alone to recharge. Part 2: The Strengths of Introverts. Now that we have a better understanding of what introverts are, let's explore the unique strengths that they bring to the table. One of the biggest strengths of introverts is their ability to listen and observe. Because they're not constantly talking or seeking attention, introverts can pick up on subtle details and nuances that others may miss. They also tend to be excellent problem solvers, as they take the time to think deeply about issues and come up with creative solutions. Another strength of introverts is their ability to focus deeply on a task. They can often work for long periods of time without distractions, which can lead to higher levels of productivity and quality work. And because they're not easily swayed by external opinions, introverts are more likely to stick to their convictions and beliefs. Part 3: The Power of Stillness. One of the most powerful tools that introverts have is stillness. In a world that's constantly moving and buzzing with noise, introverts have the ability to find stillness and quiet within themselves. This stillness allows them to reflect, recharge, and connect with their inner selves. It's also a valuable tool for managing stress and anxiety. Part 4: Harnessing the Quiet Power of Introverts. Now that we've explored the strengths of introverts and the power of stillness, let's talk about how introverts can harness these qualities to excel in their personal and professional lives. One key strategy is to find work that aligns with their strengths. Introverts tend to excel in jobs that require deep thinking and problem solving, such as writing, research, and analysis. Another strategy is to find ways to recharge throughout the day. Introverts may benefit from taking breaks to be alone and engage in quiet activities like reading, meditating, or taking a walk. And when it comes to social interactions, introverts can benefit from setting boundaries and communicating their needs to others. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the quiet power of introverts. Remember, being an introvert isn't a weakness, it's a unique strength that can be harnessed to achieve personal and professional success. By understanding their strengths and finding ways to recharge and harness their quiet power, introverts can thrive in a world that often values extroversion above all else. So, embrace your introversion and find your own stillness. It may just lead you to your greatest strengths and successes. Thanks for watching The Strength in Stillness, the quiet power of introverts.